Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button. Hello, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. What I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you how to very quickly switch some data around in a table by transposing it. That's the technical terminology for this. It's basically rearranging a table very quickly. So what I'm going to be doing is transposing the information in this table. So instead of it showing it in rows here, I'm going to be doing it so it's showing it in columns here. So first thing I need to do is click and drag to select two rows from the item to the number 20. So I'm going to click the item row all the way over to the number 20. Now what I'm going to be doing is on my keyboard is click on or type Control and C, so it's copied the contents of that table there. Now I'm going to click the yellow cell here, so that's where the information is going to go or going to be transposed to. Then on the home tab here, I'm going to go to the paste button here and click on the arrow, and I'm going to choose transpose, which is that one here. So once I click on transpose, and you can see very quickly that information has been transposed into a different layout here. So now I have the items in the first column and then the amounts for each item in the second column. So that was a very quick video there showing you how to switch data around by transposing it. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like, subscribe and share.